How do people in China cross a river using just one piece of bamboo? It looks easy, but it's way harder than it seems. This is an ancient skill, balancing on a floating bamboo pole, and it takes years to master. The toughest part? That first step. The moment you step on it, the bamboo starts spinning, and most beginners fall straight into the water. But here's what's crazy. A single bamboo pole can support over 150 kilograms. That's why, even today, bamboo is still used as a simple alternative to a boat.